हेलो, मेरे साथ में है चंदन हेयर इन सगुना बाग इन महाराष्ट्र नियर मुंबई. It's a wonderful place, spread in how many hectares?
This is 55 acres.
55 acres. It's a fabulous land, and there are plants, and there's a beautiful river, and lots of wonderful activities are happening, and it's extremely a busy place. People flock it like anything. It's very difficult to get an accommodation out here, maybe even on weekdays. We are here
लोगों
on
का
a
प्यार
weekday.
है.
उन्होंने प्यार है, लेकिन मैं आपको ऑनेस्टली बताऊं, हम लोगों ने बहुत बार ट्राई किया है, एंड हमें दिस इज़ द सेकंड टाइम दैट वी आर कमिंग टू सगुना बाग, बिकॉज वो हमेशा बुक रहता था. तो चंदन, टेल मी समथिंग, व्हाई इज सगुना बाग स्पेशल फॉर यू?
This is my home. I have studied all over. I have studied my hotel management, and I have worked in many different countries. But it was always a vision to come back to my own roots and work here. This is since my मेरे ancestors से ये सब कुछ है. मेरे दादाजी जो है, मेरे पिताजी जो है, इन्होंने यहाँ बहुत काम किया हुआ है. So that's why this is a very special land for me. This is a very special place, and this is like rural area is a virgin land. Whatever you can do, this is like there is n number of opportunities over here. Only if you can see, there is so many opportunities. There are so many things that I can do over here, and it's amazing. And the rural life is very healthy. That's why this is a very special place for me.
All right, there's a complete history around Saguna Bagh and Chandan's family.
Yeah.
If you check about them on Google, you'll come up across, I think, a wonderful story of patriotism in a way. His grandfather started it all. His father was requested by his grandfather that you should come back. He was in US, and he came back, and he just made this entire area in and that too, it's almost like a jungle for and into something that is so beautiful and so special. And Chandan has done his hotel management from Switzerland, and he came back to Mumbai, to Saguna Bagh, and he has been making it very special. All right, so Chandan, and these ponds, they
Yes.
are man-made, right?
These are all man-made ponds. Yes.
These are man-made ponds. So let's talk about these ponds first of all, please.
Yeah. So we have got 6 of such ponds. These are all freshwater ponds, man-made.
Right, please continue.
And we have got about 6-7 different varieties of freshwater fish over here. We have got Indian carps, we have got rohu, katla, mrigal, 3 main Indian carps. We have got tilapia, we have got cyprinus, we have got freshwater giant prawns. So we have got all these different very beautiful, very delicious freshwater fish over here. And the most important part about the farming is that when you are having yield, what happens is that you have to sell it in the right time. Otherwise, your price will reduce or something like that. But what happens in aquaculture, or what happens in these ponds, is your money is safe. They are there in this pond, and they're just growing. So that's the great thing about the aquaculture. And we have got 6 such ponds. And with that, we have also got aquaculture tourism, wherein you can see the pond house that was there behind me. So that was to make sure that in this one particular pond we can have, let's say, we can make maybe 4 or 5 lakh rupees a year. But if we can construct something in the same square feet area, we can combine it with the tourism, and we can increase our fields to twice of its amount. So you can see behind me over there, there is pond house, in which what happens is that the same area जो हमारा 1.5 एकड़ का जो हमारा pond है वो है, but उसके ऊपर पहले हमें 5 लाख रुपए मिलते थे. Now we can earn maybe 10 lakh rupees out of it.
All right, so I came to know about a very interesting concept today, and that is agro-tourism.
Yes.
And Chandan feels very strongly about it. So Chandan, कुछ अगर बताएं आप agro-tourism के बारे में.
Yes. Agro-tourism मतलब उसको हिंदी में कृषि पर्यटन बोलते हैं. And ये जो चीज़ जो है, ये this a farmer has to do it. ये जो है, ये चीज़ें ऐसे नहीं कि like somebody from a city who has got maybe 4 or 5 acres land, वो उन्होंने जाके उधर 4-5 पेड़ लगाए, एक घर बनाया और फिर उसको एग्रो टूरिज्म बोला. That's not the concept. This concept, like I am a farmer, my whole family is farmer, and we all stay here about 100 kilometers from Mumbai, and मैं पूरे फैमिली के साथ यहाँ पे रुकता हूँ. और ये जो कॉन्सेप्ट है, उसका जन्म हमारे यहाँ पे हुआ है. वी आर द पायनियर्स इन दिस कॉन्सेप्ट. वी स्टार्टेड इन 1985. माई फादर इज़ द वन हु स्टार्टेड इट. और ये जो सभी कॉन्सेप्ट जो है, इट्स वेरी नाइस. इट टेक्स यू बैक टू योर रूट्स. हर किसी का कुछ ना कुछ गाँव में कनेक्शन रहता है. आपको खेती देखने को मिलती है. देयर आर सो मेनी अदर डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज़ दैट यू कैन डू. तो ये सभी जो चीज़ें हैं, यू कैन गेट टू, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल ये जो मेरे पीछे फिश पॉन्ड्स है, आप फ़िश पकड़ सकते हैं, आप उसको खुद बना सकते हैं। हमारे यहाँ पे बहुत सारे अलग अलग फ्रूट्स हैं, हमारे यहाँ पे बहुत अलग अलग वेजिटेबल्स है, वो आप खुद निकाल सकते हैं, या यू कैन हैव अ एक्सपीरियंस कि आप लोग हमको देख सकते हैं कि हम कैसे निकाल रहे हैं और आपको हम लोग कैसे पका रहे हैं। सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट एग्रो टूरिज़्म कि हम लोग खुद फार्मर यहाँ पे रह रहे हैं और आप यहाँ पे मतलब आपका घर छोड़ के आप हमारे यहाँ पे आके दिस इज़ योर सेकेंड हाउस, यू नो, यू कैन दिस इज़ लाइक योर फार्म। आप यहाँ पे आके पूरा आपके फार्म में आप हमारे यहाँ पे नदी में तैर सकते हैं, आपको भैंस पे बैठ सकते हैं, आप हमारे यहाँ पे लाइक बफेलो राइड इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट यूनिक।
स्विमिंग कर सकते हैं, मैंने स्विमिंग करी है आज।
Yes, you can do swimming. You can take a horse. You can take camel. You can go on a bullock cart ride. You can. There is also some modern things. You can take a Segway also. You can take so many other things. Zip lining. बहुत सारे adventure activities वगैरह भी है. So you can do all these things. That's the whole idea.
And you know, I would like to share that Mahesh told you as well.
Yeah.
So Mahesh treated us with this very special fruit called jam. We had not heard about that fruit before, and it was delicious.
Okay.
It was extremely juicy and very very fresh.
Yeah. Yes, that is. अभी तो बहुत सारा हमारे यहाँ पे बहुत सारे fruits होते हैं. We got mangoes, beautiful mangoes. We have got beautiful jackfruits. We have got beautiful. One of the best chukus that you can have is over here. We have got a lot of coconut trees also. But like in horticulture, we have got many fruits. But out of which that jam is one of the fruit. Like मराठी में हम लोग उसको we call it jam. तो वो जो जाम जो होता है वो बहुत ग्रो होता है, बहुत टाइम रहता है, बहुत साल में से 6-7 महीना चालू रहता है। तो ये जाम भी हमारे यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा है, एंड दैट इज़ व्हाट सर लाइक्ड, विच इज़ वेरी नाइस ऑफ हिम टू यू नो लाइक दैट थिंग। अदरवाइज हम लोग इतना यू नो इट इज़ डेफिनेटली डिलीशियस, बट हम लोग इतना खाते हैं कि हमारे यहाँ पे वो थोड़ा इतना ज़्यादा मिलता है कि हम लोग यू नो इट्स वेरी नाइस दैट सर लाइक्ड इट।
All right, so one last question to you. You know, you said I think a wonderful thing about the dignity that is important for farmers.
Yes,
you know, I think that's an extremely touching statement. So, why is it important for you? And I think it's stemming from your grandfather, your father,
Yes.
and percolating to you as well now.
Yes. So what we always feel like, I'm a farmer. Okay, I'm talking with sir right now with so much of followings and everything. And why is he here right now? This is such a big dignity that if I would have been a just normal farmer doing some normal agriculture, he might not be here. You know, this is dignity is coming to us because of this agro tourism. He could come here, his family could come here, and we could talk to each other and we understood, okay, chalo aaj video banate hain. So this dignity is so important. Why farmers are committing suicide right now, or why the younger generation does not want to come back to the farmer? You ask any farmer in his 50s that if he wants his son to come back or daughter to come back to the agriculture, he will never say he wants to do that. He would rather sell his land and earn some money, because there is no dignity in it. Money is not always the problem. You can do many different type of agriculture and you can earn a little bit of money, but there is no dignity in it. There is no glamour in it. So we are not looking only for glamour and dignity, but what this agro-tourism is doing is, this is connecting, like person like me, a young guy, would just leave any other salary, any other country, any other citizenship, and come back to my roots over here in this rural area. This all happens because of agro-tourism. When my father started it started with a very unique thing. Maybe I don't know how much time we have got, but it started because of the snake venom. What my father used to do, something like that. It started because of snakes basically, and that's why people started coming, and that's how the concept of agro-tourism came into place. And then since then we are talking to all our fellow farmers to start something like that, and now there are at least successfully running at least 2,000 agro-tourism centers right now in Maharashtra, and recently the government has also acknowledged this as an important agricultural tourism activity. And this is not only considered as a resort, because this is not a resort. Resort is completely different. We don't have comforts or food or facilities like resort, but this is much more like million-star camping, you can say, million-star hospitality what we have over
No, absolutely, I totally agree with that. And interestingly, Chandan told me that pre-COVID there were at least 650 travelers who used to be here on Sundays and 400 on Saturdays, which is massive. We are here on a weekday, but still there are people all around, and people are having a good time. And the best part is it's very open. In these COVID times, everything is open. Nature is there, so you're safe as well, because safety precautions are practiced as well. So Chandan, thank you very much. Lovely talking to you, and please keep on doing this great work. And congratulations to you and your entire team, and of course your father and your grandfather. I think I genuinely hope there should be some maybe documentary or some maybe web show or something that should be made on them, because it definitely is worthy of that.
Well, I'm sure many of your followers are really great. So somebody might listen to it, and you're all welcome. Please come to us. We are very happy to share all our knowledge, all our experience, whatever, however we came. Please, thank you very much, sir, for for this video, and
it's
we
my
hope
pleasure.
to see you soon.
It's my pleasure.
Thank you.
You very much, and all the best wishes. Thank you so
you.
much. Thank you.
Thank you.